What's up, YouTube? John Fax here, back again with some good news today. And we got the Google Adsense Pin. Hey. All right. Well, if anybody, for new YouTubers out there, for what a Google Adsense Pin is, well, you need this to, I guess it's like a pin that you need to verify, like if your address, if your address is where you live at and everything, and then it's basically like a kind of like an ID or whatever. And then also once you get this, then you can do direct deposit, or you can get a check in the mail. So you can start making money off your ads and stuff that you on your videos and stuff. So that's how YouTube be making their money. So I'm excited for this. I've been waiting for this like, I think about a month. I think it take about like a month to come in or whatever, just about. So now I'm gonna set it up in a couple of minutes and stuff. So you could do, you could do a lot. I'm happy though that I got this. But you can only get this after you had to complete your what is it? I think is you had to complete the requirements, the 40,000 hours watch time, and then 1,000 subscribers. So then work your way to this. So it's about time though. But I'm gonna have some content tomorrow. I'm doing questions and answers, so it's gonna be, I already run the questions the people got from me or whatever, so I'm gonna be answering on my another video tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. I don't know when I'm gonna do it though, but it's gonna be about tomorrow, so be on the lookout for it. Comment. I know it's a lot of questions though, because it's gonna be some crazy questions on there, so